once you have the vision, once you have decided what you want to do, one of the biggest questions most startups need to answer is financing.
Yes.
The dilemma whether you want to go big and risk it, or you want to be conservative, you want to have personal financing, you want to get an investor in, you want to have partnerships, things like this. How do you see funding in different startups, and what are the misconceptions regarding it which you have actually faced personally?
So I think, with financial startup, there's a lot of different ways that you can raise funds, right? One is bootstrapping, the other is, venture capital, VC and private equity, PE, angel investors and crowdfunding. And, crowdfunding is really just trying to find ways to raise funds. So it's similar to GoFundMe, pay, those type of things. And it's for small parties, right? Angel investors are, people with high net worth that want to invest, stay away from things and let you handle things. Venture capital, private equity is a little different, right? So these are people that are not only going to invest in your projects or your initiatives, but they're also going to be engaged very closely as well. So I think with any VC, PE, or angel investors, you have to be conscious about, do you need that type of investment, right? Because you can get a lot of investment. And if you are, how much of your shares are you willing to give to the external investors that are going to enter with your business? Because at that point now they have some decision-making authority. So when I started my company, we were kind of bootstrapping. So bootstrapping is starting from bottom up, so from scratch. We had our own personal finances. They invested into the company. We built it. We had staff that we hired to help us manage the business that we did. But we were also very cost conscious. We made sure that anything that we did was really focused on cost cutting measures, but ensuring that quality doesn't get impacted. So my business partner and I, we were really overseeing the general operations of the business and make sure things were getting executed at the level that clients expected, but also making sure that financially we're in a healthy position because we put our own money. We didn't take any loans. And it's very expensive to start any startup. I didn't come with a lot of money. So whatever we could invest, we invested. And our goal was to not lose the money that we had. And I think that's one thing that really made us successful, is that because it was our own money, we're very focused on making sure that our business was successful.